There are many ways to make passive income online, so if you want to be able to work from anywhere, passive income might be for you. Most of the time, all you need to make money is a computer and a way to connect to the internet. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the passive income ideas. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. Number 1. Blogging. Blogs are a great way for writers or people with hobbies to make money without doing much work. A blog, which is short for weblog or weblog, is an online magazine or information website that shows posts in reverse chronological order, with the most recent ones at the top. It's a place where authors can share their thoughts on a certain subject. Through display ads, affiliate marketing, and sales of digital products, your blog can become a source of passive income. If you want to make money without doing anything, you'll need to work on search engine optimization. How SEO works to get people to visit your website. Once your blog gets regular visitors, companies may even want to work with you on a project. To start your blog, pick the best place for your blog. Choose a platform for your blog, such as WordPress. Choose a web address, example, woo.myawesomeblog.com. Get an account with a web host, example, SiteGround. Set up your blog, write content for it, and use social media to promote it. Number 2. Digital courses. We all know something that people are willing to pay for. With a digital course, you can turn your skills into cash. A digital course is a source of passive income because it can be sold repeatedly without you having to do much work. You might already be sharing your knowledge even if you don't know it. It could have been a Facebook post, a YouTube channel, or a blog tip about a certain subject. Instead of giving away all your knowledge for free, you can turn it into passive income by putting your ideas, skills, and knowledge into a digital course. Digital courses are easy to package, market, and sell on platforms like Teachable, Pobia, and Kajabi. Number 3. Ebooks. Like a digital course, an electronic book is another way to sell a specific skill set or expertise. The biggest difference is how the information is put together. An ebook is a long text that can be read on a computer, mobile device, or ebook reader, like a Kindle, that shows the text, images, or both. It doesn't need to be as long as a whole book. Keep in mind that the expectations of your customers will depend on how much you charge. Depending on your niche, the average ebook has between 2,500 and 10,000 words. You can use sites like Canva, Beacon, or even Microsoft Word to make your ebook. Number 4. Digital download. Digital downloads are tools that will help your customers solve their problem quickly. Instead of making a full ebook that can be downloaded digitally, you make separate downloads. These are products that can stand on their own and still give your clients something of value. Digital downloads can be things like printable checklists, guides for crafts and hobbies, downloadable spreadsheets, and social media templates. You should do some research on the market to find out what your potential customers want. The best place to start is to learn about your competitors. Look for related words on Google and see what comes up. That's who you're up against. Look at what they have to offer and think about how you can make something similar but your own. Canva is a good place to make digital downloads, and Etsy and Sendal are great places to sell them. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Connecting with retailers to promote their products is part of affiliate marketing. In exchange for promoting products or services, you can get a commission for each sale. This is an easy way to make money without doing anything. All you have to do is promote someone else's product and get paid. You can tell people about your affiliate links on social media, in emails, on your YouTube channel, in a podcast, or on your blog. Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are two well-known affiliate marketing platforms, but you can choose from many platforms. The key here is to be real. If you promote the wrong products, people will stop trusting you. Make sure you only promote products you know and like. Number 6. Investing in real estate. The most expensive way to make money while you sleep is to invest in real estate. It takes a big initial investment, especially if you're new to the real estate business. But before you start investing in real estate, you should ask yourself these questions to figure out what kind of investor you want to be. There are many ways to invest in real estate, depending on how much work you want to do and how much money you want to make. Short-term rentals, like Airbnb, can bring in passive real estate income, as can long-term rentals where you are a full-fledged landlord. Number 7. Investing in the stock market. Most likely, the easiest way to make money without doing anything is to buy stocks. This type of passive income comes from dividends or capital gains. Through the power of compound interest, you can watch your investments grow as the value of your shares goes up, and you keep putting back any dividends you get. Use a buy and hold strategy to earn passive income from the stock market. If you're getting money from a retirement account like a Roth IRA, it's not enough to live on right now. It's more of a way to save money and invest to make money for retirement, but you still make money through compound interest, and you don't have to do much to do it. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.